Some gears keep turning forever. But what if you need to make something slide instead? That's where the rack and pinion comes in, transforming rotation into movement along a straight path. From steering cars to shifting machinery, this simple design makes precise control possible. Rack and pinion, the gear pair that steers. Picture a straight bar covered with teeth. That's the rack. Now add a round gear, the pinion, biting into those teeth. As the pinion turns, it drives the rack forward or back in a perfectly straight line. It's one of the simplest gear pairs, yet it unlocks motion that pure rotation alone could never achieve. Spin faster and the rack slides faster. Change the gear size and you change how far the rack moves with every turn. It's a straightforward link, rotation in, straight line motion out. The unique advantage of rack and pinion is how cleanly it converts spin into a straight slide. Every turn of the gear produces a direct, measurable shift of the rack. That makes the system simple, compact, and easy to control. It's precision you can count on, whether in machines or in everyday steering. Rack and pinion shows up in places both familiar and surprising. In car steering, it gives drivers sharp, precise control. In a drill press, it raises and lowers the quill with smooth, controlled motion. And in sliding gates, it turns motor rotation into steady, straight-line movement. Here's an interesting fact. Many stairlifts use rack and pinion drives to move the seat smoothly along the rail. It's not fancy engineering, just a straight track and a gear keeping things steady and safe. A simple solution that makes everyday mobility possible. From cars to gates to stairlifts, rack and pinion proves that simple ideas can guide powerful motion. Next time, we'll look at the planetary gear system, where multiple gears work together in harmony. Until then, stay curious, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more.